Hey everyone, here's another example from section 3.1. This time it's going to ask us to graph the function f, and the function is actually in standard form. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the vertex using the vertex formula, and then we're going to basically make a t-chart and find some other points that are on this graph, and then we can graph it. So let's start by finding the vertex. We're going to say minus b over 2a equals negative 4 all over 2 times 2, which is 4 over 4, which is 1. That's going to be the first part of my vertex coordinate. Okay, so what I'm going to write down here, this is the vertex. Now I'm going to evaluate the function because it tells us to take the function, whatever we got for the first part, plug it into the function. So we're going to say f of 1 equals, and now we're going to plug in 2 times 1 squared minus 4 times 1 minus 5. This is going to give 2 minus 4 minus 5, which will give negative 7. So our vertex is 1, negative 7. Now we need to find some more points so we can actually graph this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a t-chart, x, y, and I'm going to pick some points. I'm going to pick, because this is my vertex, and I know that it's going to be symmetrical about this, right? Remember the axis of symmetry is going to be 1. So I'm going to pick a coordinate that's 2 to the, I'm going to pick a coordinate that's 2 smaller than this, and a coordinate that's 2 bigger than this. So I'm going to pick negative 2, or negative 2 smaller would be negative 1. And then I'm going to pick 3. Notice negative 1 and 3 are, negative 1 is 2 smaller and 3 is 2 bigger than 1. And then I'm also going to pick 0, because that's 1 smaller than 1. And I'm also going to pick 2, because it's 1 bigger than 1. I'm going to plug these in, and I'm going to say, all right, what's f of negative 1? That'd be 2 times negative 1 squared minus 4 times negative 1 minus 5. That's going to give 2 plus 4 minus 5, which is 1. Now I should expect, if I plug 3 in, because this is supposed to be symmetrical about 1, that I should get a 1 here. So let's plug it in and let's check. F of 3 equals, let's see, 2 times 3 squared minus 4 times 3 minus 5. That's going to give 3 squared is 9, that's 18, minus 12 minus 5. Oh, it does give 1. So then I should check if f of 0. F of 0 is pretty easy. You get 2 times 0 squared minus 4 times 0 minus 5, which is going to give 0 minus 5, which is negative 5. So then I should expect to get negative 5 here. So I do f of 2. And when I do f of 2, I should get 2 times 2 squared minus 4 times 2 minus 5. That's going to give, let's see, 2 squared is 4 times 2 is 8, minus 8 minus 5, which is negative 5. So as you can see, we have four sets of ordered pairs here, so 4 coordinates, along with the vertex. Let's slide up just a little bit and then graph it now. So I will start with the vertex, which is 1, negative 7, and 1, negative 7 will be right here. And then I've got negative 1, 1, so negative 1, 1 would be right here. I've got 3, 1, which is right here. I've got 0, negative 5, right here. And then I have 2, negative 5, which is right here. And you can see I get a parabola that looks like so. And that's how you graph a function that's in standard form.